Hey guys, this is Tim. It's the middle of June and it's time for a June 2022 real estate market update for Coweta County. So as of right now, we have 247 active listings. That is 59 more than the month before. So what this means is it's a pretty significant increase as far as listings go, and there's a few reasons why that's happening. One, vacations. There's a lot of things going on during July, a lot of holidays. A lot of people slow down the home searching in July. It's hot, it's Georgia, it makes sense. But that number is pretty significant. With interest rates rising, a lot of people are getting scared, they're backing away. They're pulling back to see what the market's doing. Because unless you're living under a rock, you hear the news, and the news is saying the market crash, the market shift, and that's what sells. You know, that's the type of language that the news uses to get reactions. The market is absolutely shifting, but a shift does not mean a crash. Even if an economic recession doesn't mean a real estate crash. So moving forward, the lowest price point to sell in Coweta County was $94,900 in the last 30 days. And the highest price point was $5,175,000. There are currently 483 pending transactions. That is 53 less than this time last month. So with that many pending transactions, what that's telling us is that's that many homes that someone has written a contract that's been agreed on by the buyer and seller, and it's on its way to the closing table. Of course, things happen, people change their mind, financing falls through, and so a lot of things can change. So with that decrease in the amount of pending, that tells us one thing: people are writing less offers. So with more houses on the market, less homes pending, less offers being written, so we have to look at the facts. The facts are the market is starting to adjust. But what that's going to do is give buyers who have had to get sidelined and set on the fence for the last 2 years because the market was moving so fast, it's going to give an opportunity for those buyers to get back in the market. Yes, you're going to have a little higher interest rate, but with the marketing adjusting like it is, you're going to have opportunities to negotiate some things. You're going to be able to ask for closing costs, for longer inspection periods. You probably get to skip some of the appraisal gap contingencies. There's a lot of pluses that are going to come into the market adjusting a little bit. In the past 2 weeks, we've had 88 new listings hit the market in Coweta County, and your average days on market is around 14 days, and that's an increase for over the last year. We've probably been averaging about 7 to 10 days on the market, so it's a little bit of an increase. Properties getting listed are getting less views, less traction, and I'm sure they're getting multiple offers if they're priced and marketed appropriately, but they're probably not getting 10 and 12 offers. They're probably getting 2 and 3, which is more of a normal market. It's not bad. It's just adjusting to more of a neutral market. The average list price in Coweta County is just a little over $444,000. And that's just a small decrease. It's not even really worth mentioning because the market moves up and down as the market continues to do the market. So as of right now, with $444,000 average list price, $445,000 is your average sales price. So there's a little bit of a difference between list and sell, and what that's telling us is people are still going above asking price. One of the things, if I was a seller potentially in this market, one thing I'd be looking for is, am I missing the window for the perfect storm for the seller? The perfect storm for the seller is a lack of inventory, which we have. It's an excess in demand, which we have. And it's the highest prices, appreciation, and inflation that we've seen in history. So if the market is shifting, I would agree and say, yes, you're going to miss the window for the perfect storm to sell your house. In the past 30 days, we've had 272 homes sold, and that's also in Coweta County. The interest rates are starting to adjust a little bit. So your average interest rate is a 30-year fixed. This is around 5.75 as of this morning. 15-year fixed is still in the 4s, 4.88. And this is average with good credit, good money down, perfect storm. That's looking at your average. If your credit is suffering a little bit and you have some issues, you'd expect to pay a little more. If you have excellent credit, excellent down payment, excellent history, you can look for it to be a little less. Guys, this is your market update for June. Hope you're having a great day. If you need anything real estate related, buying, selling, investing, questions, I'm always here to help. Leave a comment or email me at tim@timstoutteam.com. And remember, who you work with matters, and have a great day.